Hello, Darwin Fortuna here, Fortuna Flow. Smash that like, subscribe to our channel. Why? Because I'm going to give you information nobody else is going to give you. Plain and simple. The best of the best. Never financial advice, guys, but let's take a look at all of the things that have happened today. So yesterday I streamed, the dollar was going down, Dogecoin was pumping, Elon Musk was buying, saying to buy more Dogecoin, but also buying Twitter. So overall, what happened today? What's happened? What's going on? Was it a good day? Was it a bad day? My opinion, it started to be a negative day and then started to go back up. And I haven't made any changes on my positions because it's reversal time. It's reversal time. You heard it here before. All right, so I said it's going to be a rally. I'm expecting a rally. So a couple of things. So the European Union is having some crypto laws happening regarding funds and transfers. So that's interesting. But one that I really wanted to look at, guys, one of the biggest asset managers, or I guess banks or investment firms, Fidelity, is offering an index fund with Ethereum. That's right, Ethereum. When banks like this, when investment firms like this are going all in on crypto, that tells you something. It tells you that, one, their investors, the millions of people that have money with them, are seeking that, and they're seeing the future. This is the future, guys. Another really interesting news is that McDonald's, it's accepting crypto and Bitcoin and Tether, actually, as a form of payment for food. I always like to remind people that, like, you don't want to get into things when everybody knows about it because it's too late, but you do want to be in when almost nobody knows about it. And then when you start seeing that things like crypto are being used to buy McDonald's, right? That tells you you are in the right place. This is just the beginning. In fact, I heard that I think Gucci and Prada are using crypto. I think Gucci accepts crypto. I mean, Gucci began accepting cryptocurrency in a few stores in the United States. Like, listen, this is not going anywhere, guys. We are in the future. This is the future. All right? This is the future. So I wanted to show you that and tell you that we are in the right place. Also, look. The day didn't really start so great. You know, we were negative for a little while, but then it rebounded. I mentioned that Doge was gonna pump with Elon Musk, but then it was gonna go back down. It's down not as much as I probably would have expected it, but after going up like 9-10% yesterday, you know, it's now, you know, basically rebalancing out. But look who is up, and look who is up. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is at 39%. When Bitcoin dominance goes up, it means, by the way, that people are putting money into Bitcoin as a hedge against everything else, and they're taking money away from all of the other altcoins. All right. So when you see Ethereum and Bitcoin green, that's very, very positive. Very, very positive. Okay. So again, I always look at this chart, looking at every month and every year and every, you know, particular date on a weekly and monthly timeline. Right now, for the month of October, we are green so far, guys. We are green. We said that this may be Uptober, okay? And I agree. I think that's going to be the case. 5% up for the month so far. And look at all the numbers for every previous month, every previous year. Those are really good numbers. I'm really looking forward to a 40% pump. All right, so that's what I'm looking forward to. Never financial advice. But going back to the news that I just had, sorry, I lost them. You know, overall, the markets are rebounding. It was negative at the beginning, and it's rebounding back up. And, you know, as I said, Elon Musk is trying to buy Twitter again. That seems to be moving in the right direction. A lot of people want that to be the case. He's talking also about some new app called X, which we don't know much about. We don't really know much about what that is. So like I said, so Bitcoin is being used to pay for McDonald's. That's great. Great news. And Tether. The Terra Classic community is trying to figure out ways of, I guess, repeg. I don't put money into any of that. I don't care about it. Uptober right here. So people still talking about further losses. Listen, we're getting out of a basement window. We are really not going. I don't think we're going any further. The Community Futures Trading Commission says that Ethereum is a commodity, even with proof of stake. That's huge, guys. Huge. Listen, Gary Gensler has power over everything that is a security. All right? We don't want that. The Cftc has power over everything that is a commodity. And commodities are things like gold, gas, wheat, right? Silver. You see it right here. If they're treating Ethereum and Bitcoin has already been deemed a commodity, by the way. So that's why they call it digital gold. Is a form of gold. So that is huge. It's a non-material thing that is a material thing. It's huge. It's really huge. I mean, you guys really think about it. Think about that. If they're saying that that's the case, that's huge. So a couple other things I wanted to mention to you. All right, so there was something else really cool that was happening. Hash rate for Ethereum Classic has remained above 150, which is pretty positive. That's one of the coins I always look into. I mentioned to you market cap has gone up. It was 960 billion yesterday. Now we're 971 billion. So we really climbing back up slowly but surely to become that 1 trillion again, which we want. All right, so Bitcoin's been up for the last 7 days, up for the last 24 hours. Ethereum's been up for the last 7 days and the last 24 hours as well. The coins I really look into a whole lot. Solana's been up 2% for the last 7 days and 1.13% for the last 24 hours. What else we have? Dogecoin is up for the last 7 days, but it's been going down for the last 24 hours, as I mentioned. How is Ethereum Classic doing? Ethereum Classic is up 3% on the 1 hour, actually 3% on the last 24 hours, and it's back up on the last 7 days. Very good. You guys know those are some of my bags. Never financial advice. You don't have to do what I do. All right, so that's that. But let's look at those charts. So starting with Solana. So we saw a little sell-off this morning. I wasn't really worried. I'll tell you why I'm not worried. One, again, we've already hit the bottom all the way back in June. We had the worst month that we could probably have. Like, actually, June, July, August, September were all horrible. I mean, we got to get something good, right? Like, it's not just luck. I'm just telling you, we're overdone. It's overdone, right? So Solana has been maintaining on an upward momentum right now, which is very positive, and we've been up by about 7.5% since the last 3 days. All right, so we retested the 33.2, held it as support, went back up, broke through the 33.90, and now we are really trying to hold that $34 as support. We're really trying to hold that $40 as support. I know some of you don't understand any of this stuff, but you just think of it as like stairs, right? Like floors and stairs, right? Like if you fall through the stair, you gotta get back up, and it takes a little energy to get back up from falling. But once you create momentum and hold on to each step, you can actually create a leg and keep on going up. Nothing goes up on a straight line, nothing goes down on a straight line. Although it feels like things go down lately on a straight line. All right, so that's Solana. Solana is, again, what's next for Solana? Well, I see that if we can break through the 34.50 line, we have the next $35. But again, the way that I see it being done is hold it, rejection, test it, rejection. Typically it's just rejection, consolidation maybe for a little bit, just like here. And you know, slowly but surely we're getting above the, we're gonna get above the 35 and so forth. So we're good. Solana has been holding tremendously compared to any other coin. In my opinion, it's been holding very, very well. What about Ethereum? So Ethereum now is breaking through the 1358, you know, that I had here. Now we have a 1384 as another ceiling, I would say, right? So what's next? I want to touch it, and look, that was wrong before, and look, that week like reversed right after it hit that level. These levels are not made up. This is just history, like support and resistance, right? So now we're gonna probably get some rejection and try to hold this as support. We really need to hold that as support. We struggle with it. We struggle with it. So we need to hold that 1358 as support, and then consolidate a little bit so that we can reset the RSI, because right now it's getting into oversold territory, overbought territory. So we don't want that to be the case. Ethereum Classic, oof, wow. Ethereum Classic does this crazy, like, I like it and hate it at the same time. Look at that. Like, he does these really phenomenal moves on a moment's notice, right? Like, he goes all the way down from how much, you know, being at $27 and immediately does a 6% pump, 6.5% pump in, you know, in a day, right? So it's facing some resistance right now, but what's next? So I don't have a whole lot of floors and ceilings, and I guess let's use the right term, support and resistance for it. So from 28, this could go all the way up to $31. I don't see why it wouldn't be able to do that. All right. So it could go all the way up to 31, then all the way up to 33. Then, you know, these are the levels I'm watching right now. All right. And I'm looking at this on the 45-minute chart. This is the one I have gotten used to. Nothing particular. I just like to see movement, not so big and not so close, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, unless it's for scalping. I'm not a swing trader, which is somebody that buys and sells on like a monthly, weekly, seasonal kind of pattern. I'm more of a, I like to stay up to date with what's going on, and 45 minutes seems to, you know, crypto, a lot happens in 45 minutes, right? A whole lot happens. Sometimes in 45 minutes of crypto, it's like a week of stocks. All right, so that's that. Any other coin? Let me know, guys, if you want me to look into any of the other coins. So Bitcoin, so now I'm gonna form a little resistance right here. Why? Well, we touched this level, and makes sense, right? Like the 20,000 was, you know, a problem. We have been struggling with the 20,000. We broke through it again, but we broke back above it again. So we're holding that 20,000 very strongly right now. But 20,300, not so much. All right, not so much. We retested it. We barely made it through here, and we're holding above it. So but that's all very positive. Bitcoin above 20,000 is very, very bullish in my opinion. Okay, so Cardano. Cardano is doing great. I don't think it's done as great as it should be doing. Honestly, after having its fork, it should probably do a lot better. So again, overall, the markets are all green. The dollar has been, it got rejection all the way from the 114, and now it's at 110. That's positive. It's actually bounced up a little bit, you know, 0.8%. Not so much to be worried, but I do think that this is it for the dollar, and we're gonna go down. This is it. And when the dollar goes down, crypto goes up, guys, okay? Crypto and stocks, they all go up. Everything goes up when the dollar goes down. But that's it, guys. I'm not gonna go on and on and on this. Bullish stuff happening all over the place. We want crypto to keep on going up, things to keep on getting positive. You know, crypto is getting legalized in places like Russia and Kazakhstan. You know, great stuff, guys. Really great news. Great news all across the board. You know, South Carolina is using crypto now. Bitcoin is being used. You know, it's just really a great time right now to be investing. In my opinion, I'm gonna continue to hodl. I'm gonna continue to watch my investments, and you know, remember, October is supposed to be a positive month. Thank you so much. Subscribe, give it a like, share. Please give me at least 15-20 likes. That will make me very happy, and share with other people. Thank you so much. Oh, wait. We are in first place for the film challenge for the AIA. So thank you everybody for being supportive of that. We only have 9 more days to go, and hopefully right after that we win. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. We are raffling some Jordan 1s, so people vote, share a screenshot of the votes with us, and we're gonna put you on a raffle for some Jordan 1s. Who doesn't like Jordan 1s? I mean, they are, hold on, let me end with that. They are sweet. I was never into collecting like shoes and things like that, but like, boy, like, do I like Jordans? Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. Comment if you like Jordans. Tell me which one's your favorite too. I'm getting these red ones, by the way. I'm getting these ones. I think those are the ones, or maybe these ones, I'm not sure. But for my Christmas list, if anybody wants to get me something for Christmas, I want these blue ones, and I want the curry ones right here. I want those. All right. Thank you guys. Try to participate on that challenge and vote for our film. We are again on first place by 400 votes or so, which is really tremendous. Let's go strong. Thank you. Bye-bye.